Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to randomly split a list of names into different teams. Before we start, make sure you click the subscribe button so you never miss any of our tutorials. When you have a list of names, and you need to randomly split them into 3 groups, use the following command and the names will be separated into 3 teams. The number 3 at the end of the formula defines the number of teams. You can press F9 to regenerate the random teams again. Thank you for watching.